Grade 11s, welcome to Civil Drawing 3 and hopefully the final one for now. We need to be at the point where we need to master this specific civil drawing. The instructions are very clear, so we need to just examine and go through the formalities of what the instructions are presenting. We find an incomplete south elevation of a proposed new dwelling showing the wall step as well as the window door and roll-up garage door. So in this one there is a garage door, and we're going to find that incomplete south elevation over there. This is the garage door that you see here. That is a sliding door that you see there, and that's the window. And the line has been given to you where it should stop for the wall to stop and the roof to start. Then we have an incomplete floor plan showing the walls, positions of the doors, windows and sanitary fixtures. That is the floor plan that you will see here, which is incomplete, and we are going to include all of the detail according to the symbols and the letters and the numbers that are presented on this incomplete floor plan. We look at the incomplete foundation and wall detail, and that we're going to find right here at the bottom. Here you will find the incomplete load-bearing wall, which is the outside wall, which is 240 in thickness. And we have a non-load-bearing wall, which is 110, which is the inside wall of this building that we see here. Learners, we also find the room designations and floor finishes that we should have. We're going to have a table of sanitary fixtures, and that you are going to find right here. There are the fixtures, and these are the room designations that you should have. That is the sliding door notes, and here are the windows, and there is the door frame that we need to know. This is the garage door that we see here. It is a rectangular shape of 2 meter 550 in length, and that is what it looks from the side. Then you will find the floor plan of the new dwelling as well as the break line and the natural ground level in the south elevation drawn to a scale of 1:50. And that you're going to find on this particular page. All the detail that you are going to see here. So there are gaps which we need to fill in, all the windows and door detail, as well as all the other components in the floor plan as we've done previously. Then we also have the natural ground level for the incomplete south elevation, which we're going to start on top of the ground level, and we will finish it off here at the break line. Coupled to that, we also have the break line here and the start of the sectional view with a scale of 1:20, where all the dimensions will be divided by 20. Learners, you are requested to complete the floor plan showing all the doors and windows, all the fixtures as indicated by the abbreviations, and then all hatching detail must be included as well. And then you need to move above the floor plan to your south elevation, where you are going to show the following features on the drawing: the outside walls, step, window, door and garage door detail below the given break line, as well as the finished floor level. You will turn your attention then to the side, where you are going to draw in that space provided to a scale of 1:20 the detailed section according to the cutting plane AA, which you will find in the area in the ellipse shown on the floor plan. And I want to go to that specific area quickly. And that area is going to be right there on that cutting plane. Just keep in mind that it cuts through a door, so you will have to show the detail through a load-bearing wall, and the door will be embedded in that specific section view as well. Learners, please take note. You need to complete the foundation with external wall and wall detail. The lintels above the door need to be shown. The partial window in the kitchen in the backdrop, that needs to be shown as well, and that you're going to find there. Window 1 will be in the backdrop, as well as the partial kitchen cabinet. All hatching detail according to the substructure hatching may be drawn in neat freehand, but I'm going to suggest that we use our set squares and our T-squares. Please, the following labels should appear on the drawing: the south elevation and scale, the room designation and floor finishes, and the correct abbreviation like finished floor level, FFL, and GL for ground level. Those abbreviations need to be labeled in the correct view: the natural ground level, the finished floor level, and the damp-proof course. Please note that all drawings must comply with the guidelines and graphical symbols contained in the SANS 10143. Let's start.